This is going to be a tutorial on how to make chow mein. So what you'll need is red clay, orange clay, green clay, and tan clay, and a cutting tool as well. And you'll be set to make your chow mein. So let's get started. Okay, so take the red and make it into like a bowl shape, make it into like a little circle, and then push it down into a little bowl shape like this, and then make a strip of red clay and put it around on the sides, and hopefully that gives you enough direction, and you will get to this just a little circle at the bottom, and then the strip is wrapped around the edges, as you can see, and hopefully you understood that. So yeah, now time to make the chow mein. So this is pretty fragile, and so yeah, so make the tan into like a long strip of clay, and and make sure it's very thin, like that, so it looks pretty real. So yeah, so now take the bowl and put a little bit in at a time. And once you put a little bit in, take a little bit of the green and roll it into a ball. Take a little bit of the orange and roll it into a ball. And okay. So here's the little pea. So put the pea in, and then here's the carrot. Put the carrot in. And I'll fill it up again. Take a little bit of orange, a little bit of green. Take your knife and just keep doing that until you get a chow mein that you like. I'm going to add a couple more peas and carrots. Okay. And hopefully this will help you guys understand how to make chow mein. So yeah, so this is basically how you make an ordinary chow mein, and hopefully this helps you guys, and feel free to request any more tutorials by commenting down below. I hope you enjoyed this and this seems helpful, and yeah, and that's everything, and I hope this helps. Bye.